Don't touch him.
When they come here and then they don't see no knife, based upon what your girl said, she going to jail.
Police were called after a woman pulled a box cutter on a family member during an argument. Officers quickly arrived to investigate the situation. What happened next was captured on Bodycam footage.
Hey, come here. We're 97, 65, 20, 22 on it. Who's fighting?
Nobody. Who?
Felicia?
I was standing here. It was a misunderstanding between sister and brother.
Who are you?
I'm her uncle.
George?
Yes. It was a misunderstanding between her and uncle.
Okay. Tell me, what's going on?
No, she drove them to the store.
Won't you shut up?
She drove them to the store. They came back. They was arguing. Okay? So, it was between sister and brother. I called her down here to dissolve this shit. Bring your motherfucking ass down here. You leave him alone. Because I'm trying to resolve it without y'all coming. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, we still showed up.
Yeah, I know it, but I'm trying to tell her, shut the fuck up.
36, 22, I believe 12 days,
If you come, and she the aggressor,
I'm not sure there's a calculator, but 97 and a half.
She don't listen. Trying to talk to her. Shut the fuck up. He don't want to talk to you. He's trying to find out what's going on so he can get to the resolve.
Well, yeah, give me a sec. If I need to, I'll talk to you in just a minute.
Let me talk to you.
Tell me what the hell's going on.
They pulled up.
Okay.
They got out the car.
Okay.
Him and her was off. Right? Okay, so now, they got into somewhat of an altercation as far as words is concerned.
Okay.
I'm telling her, bring your motherfucking ass down here. You don't take him to the store. You don't did what you did. Bring your motherfucking ass down here because it's going to be a problem. She came down here. Okay, so now, whatever transpired after that, that's on him. I had her ass down here because I don't want to go to jail.
This is you and her?
Yeah, my sister took me to the goddamn store.
I have it on camera.
She's driving around goddamn drunk. I'm telling her, like, you need to sit down. You about to hit people. You're pulling over. We got back here. She want to try to hit me with a bottle because I'm telling her she need to go sit her ass down. She pulled out a goddamn razor on me and talking about she gonna cut me and my girl. I'm trying to swinging. And it's too fucking hot for this shit out here.
And I have it on camera right now.
Let me see it.
Fuck out of here. Wow. Good when I was gone. Gotta worry about this shit.
That's her going over there to him right now. And then you'll see her, she starts swinging on him and stuff.
She hit you?
Sir?
She hit you?
Yeah, she did.
And then when she swung the knife, she almost hit him with the knife, like...
She did hit me with the knife.
Oh, she did hit you with the knife?
It didn't go in, like, she...
I'm trying to keep the peace, man.
I got you.
I'm trying to keep the peace.
I'm good with that. I appreciate that.
And I don't need her to go to fucking jail because she's fucking stupid. She don't fucking listen.
Well, you can only do what you can do. You can't force somebody to act.
I'm her uncle.
Yeah.
That's my nephew right there. That's her brother.
I guess.
That's her brother right there.
I guess. Hey, for right now, just because they said stuff about knives and stuff, don't go in and out of the car.
You can't do that.
Don't go in and out of the car.
The man telling you cannot go in that car.
I'm listening to the officer.
Hey, you going?
No, I'm listening to the officer of the law.
Don't take her to jail.
No, I'm listening to you.
Please, don't take her to jail.
I'm listening to you.
Come here.
Don't take her to jail. See what I'm saying? I tried to tell you.
I'm not going to jail.
Come on, you gonna go sit in the car for right now.
They go sit your ass in the car. Shut up.
You got anything on you?
No. Am I being detained? Am I under arrest?
You being detained?
I'm going to jail.
I don't know yet, maybe.
No, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay.
What's up?
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Come on, have a seat.
Y'all see?
You pregnant?
Yes, I am.
And you drinking?
I'm not drinking.
No?
I was smoking tobacco. They ain't saying nothing about it. But I was...
Sit still.
I'm trying not to get these things too tight on you. You keep moving, it's hard to do.
I would leave here. I leave this car right here. I don't nobody. I just dropped my brother off. I don't know what happened. There wasn't no problem, y'all.
Okay. Where's the knife at?
Ain't no, I don't have a knife.
Have a seat.
Just sit down.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I ain't never
have a seat.
Sit down.
Please.
I ain't had no knife.
We're going to figure out what's going on. You have been drinking. I can smell it. Sit down. Sit down.
I had been I'm telling you, I had a margarita, but I'm not drinking. I will walk leaving.
Put your feet in there.
I don't want to go to jail. Am I under arrest?
Put your feet in. I done told you you're being detained right now. You're not under arrest. You're being detained.
I don't want y'all to put me here. I don't got to drive. I don't got to go. I'm not did nothing wrong.
Put your feet in, or I'm gonna drag you in. Okay?
You gonna drag me?
You ain't listening.
I am.
You ain't. Put your feet in.
Yeah, that's right.
Put your feet in. Do you need help?
Come on. Lean back.
I just feel like when I get in this motherfucker, I'm going to jail, but I'm not.
You're not going to jail right now. Lean back.
Put your feet in the car. I don't want to hit you with the door. I didn't say you was going to jail.
Get your knees in.
Jesus. Go talk to us, Sarge. So, we need to go look in the car and see where the box cutter is, because apparently she was out here swinging a box cutter at him.
Hey, man, so you ain't taking her to jail. Is she just detained right now?
I don't know yet, man.
Okay, all right.
Do you know what she did with a knife?
No, sir. I'm trying to find a key.
She took me to the store and she was driving drunk, and I'm telling her like, you need to go sit down. So we got here. I'm telling her like, sis, you need to go sit down. Oh, this is my car. I do what I want to do and stuff. So she wanted to grab my beer. I'm telling her, give me my beer. Like I'm trying to grab it without like having to fight her, and she want to pull a razor on me, a blue razor on me. But I don't want her to go to jail. I just want her from out here.
How you know her?
That's my sister.
That's your sister?
Yes, sir.
Like blood sister?
Yes, sir.
Y'all got the same mama?
Yes, sir.
She don't need to go to jail for that.
Okay. I ain't saying she is. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. He's asking her to stay out of the car. She ain't listening. We ain't gonna deal with that.
Because she hard-headed.
Yeah, she hard-headed. She been drinking.
I'm trying to get her to come out. She came in the house and y'all got in. Y'all never put in the thing. But I tried to get her to come in the house.
All this happened over here, right?
Yes, sir.
In her car?
Oh, right there.
She was by her car?
No, yeah, right there by my door.
But her car was over there?
Yeah.
And that's where she had the blade?
Yeah.
What did it look like?
It was a little fold, and the one that you put the razor in, and you
but she wasn't trying to cut it.
She wasn't trying to cut it.
She wasn't trying to cut it. She was angry. You were mad.
When you say knife, that make them get all up in the air. When you say knife,
okay,
me and you in an argument,
when you bring knife into the conversation, though, they don't hear nothing but weapons. That's all they hear.
That's not what it is. He said earlier that she was trying to cut him with a knife.
Well, so now you say she's trying to cut you with a knife, and that's what they want to find, a knife now.
She's trying to cut you with a knife, like she don't need to go. Girl, pregnant, the girl going through a whole lot, man. I get it, but she going through a whole lot. I mean, just give her a warning. Don't bring your motherfucking ass back out here. We ain't gonna have no more problems out of you, and that's it. Give her a warning, man.
This really ain't one where I can get warnings on.
So you gotta take her to jail?
That's the way it's looking. So it's domestic because it's brother and sister.
Okay. But if he say
I don't
want to do that to her,
he don't get the choice though, because it's domestic. Again, we still got to get it figured out. That's the way it's looking right now. I'm gonna be completely.
But I'm telling you what happened. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I got you, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that. But at the same time, we still got to do what we still got to do.
Yeah, I know that.
As much as I can take your word and say you got it, because it kind of looked like you had it under control. But at the same time, we still got to do what we got to do.
That's a message group between sister and brother.
Do I got to write it?
That's why she going to jail. Whatever you say ain't gonna change the fact what you told them to get them here.
The girl called him.
Okay, but it ain't gonna change the fact that she called him because you said she had a knife, and when they come here and then they don't see no knife, based upon what your girl said, she going to jail. If I'm lying, she going to jail.
Oh, but I told her to cool down.
I know you did. I tried to get her to come down here. She hard-headed as a motherfucker, but her ass going to jail now. Cause he gonna take her to jail. He already told me he gonna take her to jail. I asked him.
You didn't see that?
You gonna take her to jail?
Yeah, she
I ain't seen no damn key.
Even if y'all take her to the house and my mama take her keys?
I gotta take it there.
Because the reason he got taken to jail because the call came in and then the dispatch them. So the dispatch know we got a domestic violence with a weapon. So even if they wanted to get around it, they can't. They can't. They got to do what dispatch say. Take her ass to jail.
That's what they say in Ocala too.
Okay, take her ass to jail.
Domestic violence in Ocala.
They're going to take her ass to jail.
Hey, what's your phone number, man?
Hold on.
Cause she gonna have a court date. You can make that shit right because all it was a misunderstanding about what's supposed to have took place, and it didn't take place. So the misunderstanding derived from that.
She didn't need to go cool down. It's too hot out here.
So she finna cool down. What the fuck you mean? It cool in that motherfucker, ain't it, man? So cold that motherfucker, you have to have a jacket.
If the state reaches out to you and you make the determination,
I like this guy.
you don't want to follow through. But as far as I'm concerned, even if you're telling me right now you don't want to follow through with charges, I'm still obligated to do so. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What's your current address? Is it here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What apartment number?
3.
You know the address here?
You live here too, huh?
You know the address here?
How you got all the way over here?
My brother joke.
You what?
I drove where I wanted. What's the next? I'm asking you a question.
I'm gonna come back and talk to you in just a second.
I'm not under arrest. Can you put him in the front?
Yeah, I can.
Can you please put him?
I will. Yeah, give me just a second.
Pregnant. Can you please put him?
Yes. Come on. Come on. How about?
I swear to God, I'm not resisting, but I can't. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant for real. Edit. Blow that. Get out. I'm not.
Sir?
How's they doing?
Yeah, go ahead.
What happened?
Turn around, face the door. You can talk to him.
Huh?
Here, they got to go in the front.
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
Yes.
I am?
Yes, for domestic.
What the message called?
Domestic battery.
I ain't touched nobody.
Okay.
Lord.
Come on, have a seat.
No, what about doing this?
Felicia.
What is it? Give it off. Now, I'm over moving tomorrow. I gave him
I'm going to jail.
Yes, it's domestic. It's because it's your brother.
Hey.
I didn't touch
Your brother, listen, your brother don't want to do anything.
Brother,
We got called here. We got called here.
I didn't touch my brother.
I got you.
I didn't touch my brother. I don't have
You still got to go today.
That's it.
Okay, well, yeah.
Have me stuff that out.
Come on, Felicia. You have the key in your pocket?
Bitch ass nigga.
Hey.
No, I'm trying to get my mama key. I'd rather give it to her.
I'll hand it to her.
Okay, well, I'm not resisting.
Let it go. I'll hand it to you. Let it go.
Let me go.
Felicia, let it go. Let it go.
Hey.
Let me go. Hey, stop with the bullshit.
Stop. Hey. You're about to catch another charge. Stop it. Stop it.
Get your ass in the car.
Stop
Get
it.
in the car. Get your ass in the car. Yeah, you will. No. Get your ass in the car.
We can get her feet in.
You're pregnant now. Come on. The people already called her. Stop acting like that.
I'm gonna grab her feet.
Stop acting like that. Get your ass in the car. Get your ass in the car.
Easy on it.
No, put her ass on in there. Put her ass on in there, man. Felicia! Stop getting off the mother.
charged. Stop it.
Don't get me.
You gonna get another fucking charge.
Felicia, stop.
You gonna get another charge. Get your ass in the car.
Hey.
Stop.
If you'll get her other officer. Stop.
Don't touch him.
You
grab your legs, I'll call it a seat. You grab him.
Get
your ass up.
Get up.
Get your ass up. Get your ass up.
Get up.
Okay, I am. Let me go.
Get your ass up. Have a pick up.
Get up.
Get your ass up.
Get up. Get up. Stand up.
Hey, get
Stand up.
Get your ass up.
Sit down in the car.
Sit in the car.
Well, get your ass in.
Felicia.
Man, don't put it in there, man.
My bitch ass.
Sit in the car.
You got to go to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I'm going.
Come on.
Sit in the car.
Come on. Come on, Felicia.
Man, don't put it in there, man. She gonna hurt the baby. Put her ass on there.
No, you need to shut the fuck up. No, I'm going.
Well, then come on. Put your feet in.
I am. I don't want no resisting arrest because I'm not resisting.
What do you call this?
Get in the car.
I would get it in.
Well, come on, get in.
Make it worse on yourself. Get your
Shut
ass
the
in
fuck up, nigga. Bitch, you ain't that officer of the fucking law. Shut your bitch ass up.
Get your ass in.
No, I will get in here. I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to
We're
get
trying
in.
to slip the cuff.
I'm not.
Get in the car, or we're gonna.
I want you to shut the fuck up. He behind
We
you.
don't have to do that. So get in the car.
Okay, well, I don't want to resist an arrest. I'm getting here. So y'all niggas got to do all this. Y'all niggas got to do okay. What I will.
Don't hit me.
I'm not.
Yeah, please sit down.
She was later charged with battery, assault with a weapon, disorderly intoxication, and resisting an officer. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.